Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to insert word art in Microsoft Word. To do that, go ahead and click on Insert at the top. Then look towards the right on the text, you'll find word art. Click on that. You also have the drop down that you can select whatever you want. So choose an option. I'm going to just choose this one right here. And here you can see that it's come pre-filled and you can change the text. So let's say I want to simple type in Drew Tutorial. I can go ahead and type that in and you can see that it's right there, and I can move this. If you're not able to move the text, all you have to do is ensure that you're using the correct wrap. So it may be that you have the inline, and so you're not able to actually move it. So if you want to move it, just go ahead and click on it. Ensure that you select the wrap option or the layout options right here on the right, and just choose whether you want to use the through or the in front of text. And now from here you can hover towards the top and you'll be able to move it. You can also resize it as well. And that's it guys, very easy and very simple.